Welcome. If you're tired of voice messages cluttering your Telegram group chats, you're not alone. With Telegram's latest update, you now have more control than ever as a group admin. Today, I'll show you step by step how to prevent anyone from sending voice messages in your group using Telegram Web on your PC. First, open your browser and head to Telegram Web. Once you're logged in, navigate to the group where you're an admin and want to manage permissions. Click on the group chat to open it. Next, look towards the top of your chat window and click on the group's name. This brings up the group's profile and settings. Here, you'll see an edit icon, usually a small pencil. Go ahead and click on that to enter the edit mode for your group. Now, find the permissions section. This is where you can control what members are allowed to do in your group. Click on permissions, and you'll see a list of options for sending different types of content. Look for the option labeled Send Media. Click to expand it, and you'll see a specific toggle for Send Voice Messages. To block voice messages in your group, simply disable this option by toggling it off. Once you've made this change, don't forget to click Save. That's it. From now on, members of your group won't be able to send voice messages, keeping your chat focused and easier to follow. This feature is especially helpful for keeping conversations clear and preventing those long, hard-to-review voice notes from taking over your group discussions. As an admin, you now have the power to shape your group's communication style and keep things organized. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with other group admins who might be looking for the same solution. Enjoy your streamlined Telegram group experience.